Hello, welcome to ArtPen Studio and thank you for purchasing one of our wooden clocks. Today I will show you how to replace the clock's hands. So here is your wooden clock. We will first of all remove the battery and use the dial to adjust the clock to 12 o'clock. We can set the clock gently on a flat surface and we will start removing these parts. This is the clock's tip. You can use the two fingers, set it on both sides of the tip and gently, firmly pull it up. It takes a little tug, but it should come off pretty easily. We will do the same thing to the minute hand. Put your fingers on both sides and give it a gentle tug and it should remove the minute hand. Repeat the same for the hour hand. And now the parts of your original hands have been removed. Now we will replace it with new hands. We will start with the hour hand. This has the wider diameter. We will do a close-up. The hour hand has a wider diameter in the middle. It goes in first. We'll put it in. Give it a gentle but firm push. You don't have to push too hard at all. Then we will do the same thing with the minute hand. This diameter will exactly match the movement, so they will rest on the right places. A gentle but firm push, not too hard. Finally, we can replace the clock's tip. Once again, a gentle but firm push. Now your clock's hands have been replaced. You can now reinsert the battery and adjust the time. However, when you insert the hands happen to not align at 12 o'clock, don't worry. Once again, remove the battery. You can very gently push the hands until they're back at 12 o'clock. Reinsert the battery. Use the dial to adjust to your current time. And this is how you replace the clock's hands. And thank you again for purchasing a wooden clock from ArtPen Studio. Thank you.